know why I keep confusing myself. My mouth will never rest until I'm sure that you've given ears to the words of this mouth. Look at me. This is all I am. I have nothing left anywhere. I'm a widow. Please, stay away from trouble. I got married so early in life. I barely knew my left from my right when I got married. God being so kind, I was able to have all of you before your father left. Avoid bad company. Avoid bad friends. If you go and incur trouble and bring it into this house, who will stand by you? Those your friends, they are fathers. Their father will come out. You don't have. They will come out with money bags. Please, I don't have. This is all we have from what your father left. Listen to me. If you see trouble in the north, leave it and run to the south. If trouble is in the west, go to east. Avoid it like leprosy. I hope I've made myself clear.
It's okay. You don't have to get yourself worked up unnecessarily. I promise we'll try our best to make it proud. It's a promise. We will not disappoint tomorrow.
Yes, Lord. We have heard you. Thanks for that piece of advice that made me restore my sleep this morning.
Clement, watch your tongue. You don't talk to mom like that.
Clement, in fact, you were even the main reason why I called this meeting. Clement! Clement! Every day.
Very high.
I don't understand, officer.
Keep quiet! For anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Look. Officers, you cannot just barge in on us when we are having fun and you are placing us under arrest. For what?
Yes, officer. As a matter of necessity, tell us where we have wronged you people.
Gentlemen, is this not your photo?
Yes, it's mine.
You are a criminal. You have been reported for a scam.
No, scam. No. Officer!
Move there! Officer, they never pay my money. Move there! Officer, they never pay my money. Move there!
I am not.
Move there!
If she finds out that he has been arrested by the state CID, that's just where the problem lies. Look, fine, you just tell me what to do. I suggest we leave town immediately. What? Yes. Are you crazy or something? How can you ask me to leave town? For what? If you don't leave town, they will get you arrested. Now I see you've gone crazy.
This life do not be moved. This life do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see.
not be moved by the glitter things you see, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous because they're dangerous.
Adire, where is my son that left with both of you this morning? Clement, where is he?
He left us to buy something.
Yes, he went to buy something.
To buy something?
Yes.
Something like what?
Something.
Let's go. Go.
Ma?
Why are you so much in a hurry?
Nothing. Just that our mother sent for us, so we are in a haste now. Yes,
All is well.
It's everything is well.
This life, do not be moved. This life.
We've not seen your brother, Clement. As his elder brother, have you get to know of his whereabouts?
No, Mom, I haven't.
Mommy, yesterday as I was sleeping, I had a dream. I saw him inside the police station, crying that...
Shut up! Joseph the dreamer. What do you know about dreams?
No. Don't shut her up. Don't.
Mom, can you imagine Blessing talking about dreams? What does she know about dreams?
Dreams are spiritual. Anybody can dream.
Tell him.
I've been having this negative impulse. Please, go and visit all these his friends. Go to their houses and know if he's there. Or probably they know his whereabouts.
Mom, I don't know where they stay. But I'll try and find out.
Better to please. Right.
Really going on with my children. For 2 days now, they've not come home. I hope there's no problem.
Don't mind, Clement. This is very don't mind. Mommy.
Where are you people coming from? You scared me. For 2 days now, you've not been in this house.
Mom, we are not kids. You can't expect us to be in the house all the time.
Oh, really? For 2 days now, you people have not been in this house. How do you think you will walk out of this house without my consent?
No, see, Mom, just calm down, okay? Calm your nerves. Look, Adire and I are adults. So, we're hustlers and we'll always want to go out.
And you think they cannot kidnap adults? What of if you people are being kidnapped?
Mommy!
You think you cannot be kidnapped?
Mom, how can 2 grown-up guys be kidnapped? Oh, look, we are the ones that own this street, though. We are the ones that will even kidnap people.
We can even kidnap you, Mommy.
You people should be careful. Be
Well,
careful.
We are very hungry. Yeah. What did you cook?
I'm talking about a serious matter. You're talking about food. Which food?
Mommy.
Which food are you talking about?
Great time. Mom want to eat. Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy.
Any news?
There's no good news at all, Mom.
Oh my God.
I went to the place someone directed me, and all the doors were locked.
Hey.
I don't know what else to do.
Mom, what are we going to do now? What will I do?
Jesus.
Hi.
Mommy, what do we do now?
As confused as you are.
Anyway, I suggest we go to the police station. Let us go and make an entry. Eh?
Mom, if that will help the situation, let's start going because I'm very tired. Been walking up and down since.
Go and get my bag.
Clement, you talk, he talks, he talks back at you. See what he's putting this family through. Not for something.
Who knows if he's still alive? Eh? Stop shouting. You don't know if he's still alive.
See what he's putting us through, Mommy, so I should not talk.
Let's go, let's go.
This life do not be moved. This life do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see.
Ajay,
Yes?
why is mom so bothered about us now? Are we kids or something? I don't understand.
See, it's not like that. You know, she sees things differently from the way we see things. And she carried us in her womb for good 9 months. Therefore, she demands or deserves the right to know our whereabouts.
I know. Oh God, the close marking too much now. Let's have check out. How she go to close mark us like this now?
Yeah, I understand. But you see, that's mother's thing. You know, they are always so, should I say, overcaring. Yeah.
Because of the deal we're doing, we always need to be with Clement and Johnson.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, you're right.
Just 1 hour. Now your mama.
Oh, no be your mama, Abi. Guy, leave that in.
You better talk to your mama
I
before
will
I
talk.
change her.
I will talk to her. Leave that in. Why are you talking as if she's a stranger now? Come on.
Do not be moved by the glitter things you see, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous because they're dangerous. They are dangerous.
Save those questions for another time. Do you know your dream actually came to pass? Eh? Actually, he was arrested by the police. Ask Clement what he's doing that the police will come and arrest him. I don't have your time. Let's go inside. Just ask him. Hopeless God. You want to kill me. You will die before me. I am asking you, where do you think you're going?
Oh, I'm going to see my friends.
Your friends?
Yes.
Hey! Those friends of yours that abandoned you when you entered police night, where were they?
Mom, who told you they were aware of what happened?
They weren't aware.
Yes.
Hey, they weren't aware.
Mommy, allowed him.
No, wait first. They weren't aware, so you now want to go and tell them. Before they will be aware. I even saw them that day and they couldn't tell me that you were in trouble. Are you not ashamed of your friends?
Mommy, allow him. When they arrest him, he will stay there.
Will you shut up before I slap your face?
Don't shut her up because she's right. Yeah. Let me warn you. If you enter into police cell again, Clement, you will not see me. If you see anybody like me, somebody that looks like me on my shadow, then it's a ghost. Because I won't care and you won't see me. You're not the only child I have. I can even forfeit you. What is wrong with this boy?
Young man, were you not the one I saw at the state CID the other day?
Yes, I am. But I hardly know you, sir.
Oh, of course. You won't know me. I am Egba. Egba. What brought you there?
Sir, we were arrested for a scam, which I wasn't involved.
A scam? You were not involved? Oh, well. You see, it is the hardship in the nation that is bringing all these problems. Young people like you being accused falsely. Now tell me, have you ever heard that a full-grown man like me is accused of scam?
It's not possible, sir.
Here you are, because we think smart. Nice, is your friend?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Like I was saying, it is simply because we think smart. We do the right things at the right time.
Sir, what do you think young men like us can do? Are you going to want to be smart?
That's good. Oh, it's very simple. Very simple. You need someone to mentor you, to show you the way. As simple as that. Listen, I will mentor you. I will show you the way if you are ready. Here's my card. See you.
Thank you, sir.
And how did you get to meet him?
You see, I was sitting down here, he was drinking over there.
Okay.
He said he saw me at the Stacy that day, and he wants to mentor us.
Wow. That would be great, though.
He's a big guy.
Yeah, I can see. I mean, can't you see how he's looking? Wow, man, that's good news.
God, we are to see.
Clemo. Guys, what's up now? See us. Oh, man. Look, I'm very, very sorry. I'm really sorry for not coming to see you guys at the station. Honestly, there's actually no way I would have come to that station to see you guys. No way at all. I'm sorry.
See. Sometimes life challenges comes in that form. So it's okay.
I agree with you. Because if you look at the cause of the situation in town, I mean, because of poverty in town, it will around this false accusation and embarrassment of young persons like us.
Exactly. And you see, I and Andre met someone who's ready to link us up to the big boys in town. I mean, the happening guys.
You don't mean it.
And guess what? I am ready to do anything.
Clement. I hope this guy that you're talking about has nothing to do with occultism or blood money. Because to me, I'm not part of it.
Johnson, you were born with a gem. Do you want to continue with the life of Nollywood? I bet you, if you continue like that, even God will reject you.
You can call me names. I don't care. I only believe in one God, who is in heaven. Anything that has to do with blood money, please, I'm not part of it.
Johnson, why is your reasoning so low? Why?
Don't mind him. You know, not everybody is born to be rich.
He's not thinking like a millionaire.
Johnson.
I mean,
Don't mind. So, what will you take?
just give me.
Untie their faces. Welcome to the temple of Igbo, where your treasure is. It is written that your heart will always be where your treasures lie. But one of you must serve the other.
My lord, I am ready to serve.
Each of you will wash off poverty from your faces with the blood of Igbo. After they would have washed off poverty from their faces, you will take them into the chambers and dress them like proper members of the temple. Take them to the chamber and dress them, for they have become members of the temple of Igbo.
This life do not be moved. This life do not be moved.
Blessing, like I was saying, parliamentary system of government is different from presidential system. In the parliamentary system, it is the king that rules, but they call him a ceremonial head. While here,
Why the Prime Minister owns the affairs of the nation?
Hello.
Mommy.
What about that your friend that promised you employment? Have you heard from him?
Oh, Dad, no, Mommy, I haven't.
Why don't you pay him a visit? At least during discussion you raise the issue. That might refresh his memory. Maybe he has forgotten. Then he will tell you something.
Okay, I will, Mommy. But, Mom, to be sincere, I'm not really interested in that work.
Why?
Reason is that I am planning to gather more money so I can go back for my Asian day. At least that will give me a boost.
You're right too. If education is dangerous. But the problem is just that I don't have enough money to support you. Anyway, I want to pay my friend a visit, the one that came here yesterday. Alright, Mom. There's food in the kitchen.
Thank you. I'll take care of myself. And so, like I was saying, Nigeria practice presidential system, where the president is the commander-in-chief.
Just as is.
The king is the head, while the prime minister is the head of the government.
Just as is written.
Stand there, government. Why is it that you like going out without anyone knowing your whereabouts in this house?
You're my elder brother, yes. But that does not give you the right to know my whereabouts always.
Did you just talk to me in that manner? Clement, did you talk to me like that? You are walking out of me, Clement.
Please. Don't let him upset.
You are walking out of me?
You know how he is. Forgive him, please. Please. Just sit down. Forget about me. Okay? Just let him
walk out on me.
You know him.
Can you imagine the insult from my own younger brother?
Please. Just let him be. Okay? Come on. Don't think about this now.
Who are we quarreling inside? What is going on here? What is going on here? Clement just walked past me outside like a mad dog. I overheard your voice shouting. What is going on here? Listen, Ogini. What happened?
Mommy, is Clement that got brother upset with his attitude?
Clement again? Clement, what? Clement will not kill me in this house, so. Ogini. Ayo, it's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down.
Forget it. Okay? It's not worth it.
Calm down. You know him very well. Clement is a pain on everybody's ass in this house. Thank God that you soon go back to school. At least that will give me enough time to work on him. To know whether he will grow up a bit.
Brother, please.
No, Bobby, let him talk to me. Why would Clement talk to me? Why would you walk out on me? If I had money the way my mates have out there, would he talk to me?
Ayo, don't start. You have money. It is not late for you to have money. You will still make all the money you want in the whole world. It's okay.
No problem, I've heard.
In fact, I don't even feel like going out today.
Adire.
Yeah?
Let's go and see Clement, please.
Okay.
Hurry up now, hurry up.
Wait a while, let me put on my shirt.
Quick.
Wear your shirt to where? Where are you putting on your shirt to?
Mama, to go out, of course. Look, we are tired of sitting down at home all day. We're no longer kids.
Have I ever addressed any of you as a kid? Please understand that since your father separated from us, your uncle has not come to see how we are faring in this house. I'm sorry, my sons. I'm not embarrassing you. Rather, I want the best for you. Okay? You are the best things that has ever happened in my life. Now, just come and sit with me. Sit. Sit down now.
Guys, you have to leave town.
Why? Why are we going to leave town? For what?
It's important you have to leave town.
I suggest we go by his idea. I mean, it is good for us to leave this town so that by the time we are back with the monies, people will not suspect us. But if we remain here and the monies start coming, they will suspect us of, you know.
I think you guys have a point there. You guys have a point. So, okay, fine. You tell me, where should we go to?
But I'm still thinking. But when I'm done, I will let you know.
Guys, when is our next meeting day?
What do you mean?
Don't act as if you don't understand what I'm talking about. Now it's funny, right?
No. It's not as if it's funny, okay, but...
See, the fact remains that we need to update ourselves, and that is smartness for you.
I see. Okay, so you tell me, what do you think?
Let's pay them a visit once more.
A visit?
Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you. Pay them a visit.
Okay. Fine. Okay by me. The visit is okay.
Clement,
Mom.
Who are those boys that you move around with these days? You don't know their parents, I don't even know where they live. Who are they?
Don't allow yourself get worked up about this. I'm a man, and I can choose my friends.
I am not trying to choose your friends for you, young man. In fact, I'm not stopping you from keeping friends. I demand to know your friends, their parents, and where they live, in case tomorrow there's problem. In case.
But Ayo knows where they stay.
Ayo?
Yes.
The last time you were in trouble, I asked Ayo. Ayo couldn't identify one of your friends. He couldn't even trace their houses.
Ayo knows where they stay. And that is it.
Clement! I am talking and you're walking out on me, Clement. Hey. Why won't this boy change? Hey? His stubbornness is getting worse by the day. What did I do?
This life, do not be moved.
It's good we all are here. Mom, I want to bring to our notice that I'll be leaving home. I'll be living on my own from now on.
What? Oh God, why? Why, Clement? What has come over you?
Mom, I'm not like a child. I'm a full-grown man now.
Brother, why this decision? Did we wrong you in any way?
Clement. Mom, Blessing and I mean well for you. Whatever has transpired in the past is for the good of this family, so we could move ahead. I think it's too early for you to take such drastic decisions. You don't have to go anywhere. We need you here. Please don't go.
Clement, please. See,
Well, it's too late now. Because I've rented an apartment.
What?
Yes.
No, you can't do that. No.
Are you serious about what you just said?
Yes.
Clement, please don't do this. You can't do this. I forbid you. Clement, we have apartments in this compound. You can take anyone. Do whatever you want with it. Henceforth, I promise, I will never interfere in your affairs again. I will let you be, provided you stay here with me.
Mommy,
I don't want to.
Mommy, he wants to go. Let him go.
No, I don't want him to go. He's my son, he's my baby.
Well,
Mommy, let him go, please.
No.
I don't want you to get yourself worried over this again.
I've made my decision.
He has made his decision. You heard that.
Clement, this decision is
I will not be happy if anything happens to you.
It's not good for you. It's not good. Try and stop him. It's your brother.
It's not good for your heart.
It's not good for him. It's not good. I don't want him to leave my house. I don't want him to leave my house. Can't you understand?
Sit down. I know your hearts are troubled. But don't be afraid. You will be so rich that no man on earth will be able to intimidate you. But your heart will always be where your treasure lies. You will be so rich that you will be able to accomplish whatsoever your mind can imagine. But remember, there is a price to pay.
See, I will only do what my heart directs me to do.
Alright. You're right, Clement. Because they said your heart will always be where your treasure lies. Yeah, that's what he said.
My lord, I am ready. I am determined to pay any price.
Who in your family have you chosen?
My mother.
Your mother is good, but your brother is standing in the way of your becoming the master of your family. The temple demands your brother.
No, my lord. I rather my mother.
The words of our Lord is authority. We don't object.
Adire! Adire! Adire!
Hello, brother.
Hey, Blessing, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too.
Wow.
So, how is mom?
Mom is okay, she's fine.
Is Ayo at home?
Yes, he's at home. He's at the backyard washing.
Okay.
Brother, when will you come and take me to your house? I want to know your place.
You want to visit me?
Yes.
Right now, I'm not chance, but don't worry, when I'm free, I will call you.
Alright. I miss you.
I missed you too.
Okay, take care of yourself, okay?
Do not be moved. This life.
Mommy, guess what?
I should guess.
Yeah, guess.
Cool. Bless now. I don't have the time to guess. I don't even have the strength.
Mommy, just try and guess.
If you want to tell me something, just go ahead and tell me. Or are you buying me a car? An aeroplane?
Alright, Mommy. Clement called.
Who? Clement? News. Still one.
Anyway, he said I should send his regards to you. And he also said he will come and take me to go know his place.
To know his place?
Yes.
Don't go to his house. Don't go there.
No, Mommy, I want to go and know.
You do no such thing, Blessing. Don't go to his house. He wants to stay alone. Let him be. Let him stay alone. In fact, go and make my breakfast. I said you will not go there. Don't dare me. Don't dare me, Blessing.
Mom! 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 Mom, I'm leaving. Mommy? Like no one is in the house. Money in my house. Mommy? Mommy not around. Can this be mommy's money? Well, if it's mommy's money, I give it to her, but if it's not hers, thank God for answered prayer, because this is the reason I've been away from school.
What are you doing on the floor now? Why are you lying down like this? Anayo! It's a lie. Anayo! Anayo, get up, get up! Binyana! Brother, what is it? Anayo, get up! Brother, what is it? Anayo, get up! Brother, get up! Anayo! 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 Brother, get up! Brother, get up! Somebody come and help you! Somebody come and help you! Somebody come and help you! Brother, don't do this! Help you! Help you! Anayo! Anayo!
This life do not be moved. This life do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous.
I'm so sorry that I've not been able to come around and see you and the children since we lost your husband, my brother.
I've been away and I'm so sorry about it. That's why I've come to apologize.
Understand. It's all right. You're welcome.
Yeah, and I don't know, what are the plans? I mean, the plans for the burial?
No, actually, we've not fixed the date yet. It was so sudden, but hopefully, before the month runs out, we will get a message across to you.
That would be wonderful. I will appreciate just that. But in the meantime, I will be coming around. Now that I'm back from my trip, I'll be coming around to see you and the children, huh?
I'm so confused. I want to find out what killed my son. I want to find out. He wasn't sick. He was okay.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's alright, it's alright. Oh!
Because they're dangerous. They are dangerous.
You are a man. Clement, yes. Adira is right. You're not a man. Okay? Look, we all agreed to do this for us to become that which we've always wanted to be. So you need to put yourself together and stop behaving like a child. Yeah. Okay? Listen, you are now the man of the house. And whatever you say is final. So put yourself together. Buckle up. Buckle up.
I'm happy you guys responded to my call.
Now you're talking.
I was so devastated. I was shattered.
Listen, Clement, what are friends for? We are friends and that is why we are here. Look, you did this for the sake of your future. I mean, poverty has been eradicated from your family. What do you think?
Yeah, that's right.
Clemo!
The latest billionaire in town.
Clemo! You understand?
Mama! Get something to drink.
Now you are talking.
So, how are you doing?
I'm very fine, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good.
Sir, can we go in to see the cops?
No. Attendant, it's not actually why we are here. We have come to inform you that by this time tomorrow we should be here to lift the corpse.
Oh.
So you get it dressed for.
Yeah, not a problem, sir. I'll get it dressed, sir.
by the glitter things you see. Do not.
Where are you going to?
I was sent to meet both of you.
To meet us? I mean, for what?
Yes, you have seen us. What is it?
You go home and decide who amongst you that will go for the other.
Boss, what are you trying to say? I mean, what do you mean?
I mean what I said. What I said is what I meant. You heard me clearly, very clearly. One of you must go for the other. Good day.
You are insane! What's he trying to say? What is that supposed to mean?
He's trying to scare us.
Let's go. I really don't understand what he was trying to say.
Sir, I want to see my late brother's corpse.
His name?
Ayo.
Let me see your receipt.
I don't have it here.
You can't see the corpse without the receipt.
Doctor, I thought your purpose of being here is to make money. Oh, are you not in the system?
I don't understand you, young man. Only if you can keep your weight.
You don't have to do that. I assure you that.
See you guys.
We'll see you tomorrow.
This is my mother's house. You have to leave before my mother comes and meet you here now, please.
This life, do not be moved. This life, do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous because they're dangerous.
Please stop crying. You've been on this since morning. Please stop crying.
Vero, Vero, why? You will hurt yourself. Crying won't bring him back anymore. He's gone, he's gone. Please calm down. Crying won't bring him back. Please.
Calm down.
Mom? What's going on
my
there?
Son. Where
Mom?
did I go wrong?
What's this? Where's my brother?
Oh, see my son. See my son.
Where's my brother?
What's
going on here?
Put yourself together. You're a man.
It's your brother, Jimmy. He's dead.
Stupid. Remember, we all are under the oath.
Wow, it's devil incarnate. And what are you? Self! He doesn't know that no God.
Because they're dangerous.
To me, my brother. If I leave here right now, I'm going straight to that my late brother's wife. You know, the one that lost her son.
When did this happen?
More than a month ago. She's been bereaved.
See, similar thing happened to us.
Really? What happened?
You know, Vero, my brother's wife.
Yes, Veronica.
Yes. She lost her first son.
Veronica?
Yes.
The one that divorced the husband?
Yes.
What is happening in this our community? What actually is going on? Why all these deaths in our community?
I don't know.
Hey! Wow.
Do not be moved. This life. Do not be moved.
I want to go see my friends. I'll be back.
Okay, please, let's come back. Come. Son, what troubles you? I know this is not you. What is the problem? You know I'm your mom. Come and sit and tell me.
Mom, I'm fine. As you can see, I'm okay.
You're fine like this?
Yeah. Talk about
No. Come and sit and tell me. Tell me. Sit.
Well, okay. When I get back, we'll talk about it, okay?
Wait.
I'll be back soon. Let me see my friends.
Son, I said come back here.
I'll be back, Mom.
Come back.
You're happy now.
Very happy. Don't mention. Thanks for your job well done.
Yeah, you paid for it. Service delivered.
I most appreciate you.
No problem.
You're splendid.
No problem. See you more time. Nice doing business with you.
Thank you very much.
Yes!
it out. You're a very stupid man.
So this is how you people steal somebody's cups,
How can you be
You think you can do business with my son's dead body?
Yes.
You are lying.
I don't know anything.
Give me my son's dead body.
I kept it. Yes.
Take a hand.
He's not saying the truth.
If this is how you steal people's
I
stuff,
kept it there,
you made a
ma.
mistake.
I don't know who took it, ma.
So it is true that you people are selling dead bodies parts, eh? You ritualists.
No, sir.
How can you even release a corpse without receipt? Who came and who took? Who did you say that?
What is it?
I dropped the corpse here.
You are lying. Who it? Okay, James, call the police. Call the police.
Waste my second year. Just don't waste my second year. Did you get that? Now, who came here and took it?
Sir, Clement came here and collected the corpse.
Who?
I even went with him to his house.
Who is Clement? Do you know Clement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, James, this boy is lying. He wants to rope my son into his mess. You want to rope my son into your mess?
Okay, wait. Jenny, you took the corpse to Clement's house, eh?
Clement came here and collected the corpse. I went with him to dress the corpse. I'm not lying, ma. I'm not.
This boy is lying. You want to rope my son into your mess?
I'm not lying.
Hey, give me that. You say you know his house?
Yes, sir.
So his house. Take us on his house.
Just call the police, so. Call the police before this boy runs.
Let's follow him to where he stays Clement.
And where do you think we will be safe?
Anywhere. I mean, I just need to leave this town immediately.
Adiwe. Sometimes you talk like a child. Be a man for once. Okay. Follow me. I'll give you a surprise.
Surprise?
Avoid your house for now.
Why? And where do you want me to go? In fact, I'm going back to that compound.
Who is there? Oh, so this is it.
Mom.
This is where you are finally. Clement.
Hey.
Clement. You don't answer your name again?
Uncle.
Hey, you listen to us. Don't uncle anybody now, right? We are from the mortuary, where the mortician said you came and took your brother's corpse. Where is the corpse?
Santos.
That's why we are here.
Santos. Clement. Clement! Didn't I warn you? How did you get here? What is it that a mother does for a son that I've not done for you? Clement, why are you this wicked? How did you suddenly turn to a demon? Where's your brother's corpse now?
It's okay. We are here to get the corpse. Where is it?
I don't know what you're talking about. Hey,
Mortician.
Yes, the corpse is right inside here. I dressed the corpse for him. He's inside there. Yes.
Come open this bathroom and show us where it is.
Where is your brother?
Jesus Christ! Jesus!
This life do not be moved. This life do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see.
with your brother's corpse. You don't want to understand what are you doing with it? I don't understand. I want you. Hey, abomination. Hey, Clement.
They are dangerous.
Meaning? Tell me I'm your mother. Tell me, what is it?
Mom, Jimmy knew he would die.
Jimmy, my own son, knew he was going to die. What? What? Tell me, my son. Who is there? Tell me. So what is it? What is it? Can you see me? What is happening?
Do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see.
I regret having you as my brother.
By the glitter things you see. Because they're dangerous. They are dangerous.
Threatening with the corpse of his elder brother. Abomination. You have done well, youth. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. We shall all now go inside. Wait for the other elders who have their way to come. Others are already inside. The priest has also called to say he's on his way. Okay. So we shall wait for the relations and the priest. Once they are here, we shall do the damage. Let's go in. Useless boy. Not in this climate. Huh? It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, let him go, he doesn't belong here.
Listen. You did not hear me.
Bobo, you are a fool. You are a bastard. You beast. Get away here. You brought all this thing on me. Get away. You beast.
This life, do not be moved. This life, do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see.
Clement!
Do not be moved by the glitter things you see, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous.
Hey!
Because they're dangerous.
Poison. Poison. Appa! Hey! Why, Clement? Why? Why?
This life.
Janet! Oh, she's at home. Janet!
Who is that? I'm coming.
Please come fast.
I'll get James. Hope all is well.
I was just coming from Clement's house. And I saw him lying down helplessly with foam covering all his mouth.
Hey, Jim. What happened? Eh? Is he still alive?
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know.
God. Did you take him to the hospital?
No, I did not. I said, let me just come and report to you first and foremost. Before people will now say that I'm the one that killed him.
Hey, take me there. Take me. Let's go. Let's go.
Come.
Hey! Listen! Where is he?
Come.
Where is my son? Oh, where is my son? Where is my son? Where is my son?
What's going on here?
Hey! They have killed me. Oh, they have finished me. Where is my son?
When I came into this room, I saw him here. He sat on this seat, exactly this seat, with foams all over his mouth. Huh? This sniffer bottle was still here, exactly here. When I came in, I saw it here.
James, where is my son? What are you telling me? Where is my son?
I don't know.
James, you swore that you wipe away my entire family so that you can inherit my husband's property. You are at it and you have succeeded. Now give me the son.
What are you talking about?
Give me the corpse of my son now. Give me. Let me go and bury.
I didn't kill your son.
Bury my son.
I don't know what you're talking about. Give me, I didn't kill your son.
Just give me the corpse of my son. You murderer.
Who is having it?
Murderer, give me the corpse.
Don't talk rubbish.
You have killed my son. Come and give me. Where's my son?
Say nonsense.
You said it's there. Where's my son? James, you must not say it.
This life.
Two sons under the same month. Stop. Hey! Claire, stop crying, okay? God, this is too much. I can't bear this. Remember, you're the only one I have. Stop.
Yes, Jenny, please listen to Blessing. Huh? It's alright. You cannot cry from now till eternity. What has happened has happened. Take solace in God. God give it, God take it. It's okay. Wipe those tears, right, my dear? Hi!
Hey!
I have not seen this. Eh? Not even from the time of our forefathers. This is terrible. 2 actors over how many days? It's okay.
Yes, stop. Stop laughing at me. I know it. Stop. Please. It will be alright. You have me now, okay?
Yes.
Brother James.
Yes.
You must follow us to the holy house so that you can swear an oath to prove your innocence.
What did you just say? God forbid bad thing. I am not swearing anything. I am a Christian.
You must swear.
What are you talking? Look at that. Is it because I've come here to sympathize with you? Can you imagine? Wearing my food.
You must swear. You must swear. He did not kill you. It was a minister.
Can you listen to them? Even you want back. What do you know about the holy house that you are asking me? You are all going to go give me a square.
We couldn't get to the holy house. A spirit met us on the way and said we should go back and get his father or his uncle that will lead us on this journey.
Why?
I don't know. He said it's only a man that can take us to this journey. So, Timmy, can you escort us to this journey?
Look, the best I can do is to get some young men that will scout for his father to lead you people on this journey.
Okay, whatever you decide, please be fast about it. As you can see, he's not getting any better.
Yes, I know. I think I better move now immediately. Please, I'll see you.
Wow! I missed you.
You mean this is your apartment? Our apartment, as a matter of fact. So what do you have in the fridge? Check this on the door.
Who are you?
I am in this position to ask you that question.
Will you shut up, woman? Eh? We're in our son's place. By the way, how did you come in here? Who brought you in here?
Is John your son?
Hey.
Who is John?
We are in our son's place. And his name, for your information, is not John. He is Clement.
Clement!
Where is he?
Where is Clement?
Then you are in the wrong place.
Eh?
You heard me.
Please, I am begging you in the name of God. Where did you drop my son's corpse? Just show me, let me go and carry him and bury. I'm begging you. I am begging you.
Please, you better live quietly, please.
Hey.
Please.
Janet, please.
Please.
Let's get her arrested. There's every likelihood that she is the one that killed Clement. Where is Clement, you?
I don't know. Probably she's your accomplice. Both of you must have conspired and killed my son.
Janet!
You people should just give me his corpse. I want to see him.
What is Clement?
Let me see my son's corpse now. Eh? Which one? Where did you come from? I want to see his corpse.
Hey, where did you drop his corpse?
So he's dead. So he's dead.
Hey! What's your tongue?
Look
at the killer here and there. Hold on to her.
He's dead. Corpse. I'm begging both those. Please, you people should just give me the corpse. I want to see my son, his corpse. Hey! Clement.
What do you mean by hey?
It's my son. It's my son. He's dead. He's what? He's dead. Hey! My God.
I told you she knew everything about her son's death. Get hold of her! You are not stepping anywhere. Don't move an inch. Just call the police.
Give me, please.
Get the police.
Auntie, Wabo, just give me the cups. Where did you drop him? Please, I want Clement. I want him, but he wouldn't listen.
She's saying okay. Where?
I want my son.
Come back here! Hey! Come back here! Come back here! Killer! Well, how do my people normally say it? When you beat a child with the right hand, you use left hand to draw him or her closer. I actually came to inform you people that I'm in support of visiting that holy house. But this time around, all of you should get ready because we shall all visit there, this time not to swear. Nobody is swearing to any oath because I know you very well, Janet. I can vouch for you. No matter what, I do not see you trying to kill your son, neither your daughter Blessing. It's not possible. To think of it, why would I kill my sons? Eh? Why would I? Would I call my sons? And so the idea of swearing is out of it, but let us go and find out the immediate cause, the root of whatever that happened. It has to surface. So maybe in the next market day, everybody should be ready. We shall all proceed to that holy house where the truth of what happened should be revealed. So it's for your information. Get ready. Blessing you too, you had me. Because everybody now is a suspect, including me. So let's go there to prove our innocence. That's why I'm here.
Okay. Thank you so much, my brother-in-law. At least for accepting to visit the holy house with us. Well, whether we are going there to take oath or we are going there to find out who killed my sons, that is left for the gods to decide. The important thing is that we visit the holy house. Whatever that happens there, it's not my business. Whether we are going there to swear or that we are going there to find out what actually killed my two sons under one month. It's not my business. All I want us to do is let us go there. Yes.
Anyway, there's no problem. I don't blame you. It's okay. Let everybody go there and prove his or her innocence. It's alright.
Ajima the Great. Ajima the Great appeared to me. I can see them coming, but I do not know their problem. Please appear to me and tell me what they need to know. Ajima the Great, please. Great Ajima, goddess of the land, I greet you.
Their problem is in your hands. Tell them that they have not run back, choosing one of them falsely. And her name is Janet.
Thank you, Ajima. Thank you, Ajima. Thank you, goddess of the land. Thank you. Hey! Stop there. Take off your shoes. You can come in. You can sit.
Yeah.
What can I do for you?
Thank you, wise one. Yes, wise one, we're actually here to find out who killed our sons.
Yes.
2 of them. We want to know who is behind their deaths. Because they died mysteriously. Yes.
Janet! You and your daughter have accused someone. You are pointing accusing finger at someone who is innocent. So says the goddess of the land.
You heard him.
Okay, James.
Hey! You just don't try to mention my name here. Did you hear him was my question. You heard him.
Oh, of course.
I'm out of this place.
Hey, okay, James, please wait now.
All right. Thank you, wise one.
Okay, James.
Hey!
Come.
Meet me at home.
Okay, James. Okay, James, please now, don't leave me here. Don't leave me here.
Is he the one?
Yes, yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Fatima, please help me.
He is innocent. Now go and make peace with her. Wait. When you are coming, come with a lady called Veronica in your community. She is to come with you for cleansing. You can go. Go! Go! Great Ajima, the servants have spoken.
This life do not be moved. This life do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see.
Oh, God. Clement killed himself, and in fact, he did a lot of things. The worst is that the man said I should go and look for one Veronica.
Veronica?
Uh-huh.
There are many Veronicas in this community.
That is it. How can I find Veronica in the village without address? Veronica.
Hey. Why didn't you ask Uncle James?
Your uncle? The one that angrily left me there and went home.
As usual.
I told you.
So how are we going to do now? We should go and ask him, because he's the only one that can understand it.
I think I'm left with no choice. I'll go and ask him.
Better.
I'll go to his house and ask him. Oh.
Hi.
Hey.
Do not be moved by the glitter things you see. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous. they're dangerous.
The young man I sent came back. They couldn't find him.
Betty, I told you, there's no point going to look for his father. The spirit we met on the way said we should get his father or his uncle or a man. Timmy, you are a man. Please escort us to go to this holy house before this boy dies. Please.
Vero, you are pushing me to the wall. Well, there's nothing I can do. Just getting ready tomorrow afternoon. I'll come and we'll go to the holy house.
Thank you. Thank you.
This life do not be moved.
Veronica! Jimmy? What's going on? You are going to the holy house?
Yes. My brother James, we are going for cleansing.
For cleansing? I should have known. So, what did you commit this time around?
Nothing, no, nothing.
Nothing, and you are going for cleansing.
Let's go,
okay.
let's go.
Veronica and the in-law, Timmy. Hey! When will you change? Wait, why don't I even go and find out what they have committed? No. Let me go home. Because nothing is sitting under the sun.
Oga James, please, we are sorry. We are here to ask for your forgiveness. We are sorry for accusing you wrongly. Initially, I thought you were responsible for my son's death. Not until the wise one told me that you are innocent. Please, forgive us. Please, that is why I am here today, to ask for your forgiveness. Forgive me. It wasn't intentional. Yes, Uncle. Please, forgive us. We are so sorry. Please.
Well, it's all right. What you did is the right thing. If I were in your position, I would probably do the same thing. So, it's understood. I know that you are passing through pain, so it's okay. All right.
The wise one said we should come to the holy temple with Veronica.
To do what?
For cleansing.
The same Veronica I saw on the road with her in-law. She told me they were going to the holy house.
Ah, so you even know her?
Of course I do.
Oga James, please, let's go to the holy house and see her now. Please.
Go. You meet her there. She's there.
You won't come with us?
Go now. You will see her. Maybe you want to see her. Go there. She's out there.
Now, ninth has come. Let the cleansing begin. Making kneel down. Ajima, great spirit of goodness, come and cleanse your son from the powers of darkness. Great Ajima, come and cleanse your son. Ajima the Great, let your spirit cleanse him. Ajima the Great, let your power cleanse him. You agents of darkness, what are you doing here?
Release him, he belongs to me.
No, he does not belong to you. Don't you know light and darkness have nothing in common? Yes. Now, leave.
I will not leave, not when you have what belongs to me. He is my property. Release him, and I will leave.
He came to you through bad company. He is a holy seed. Now leave before Ajima consumes you.
I did not force him to come to me. And once he has come to me, he belongs to me.
No.
Release him, and I will leave.
No. Don't you know? Light and darkness have nothing in common. Now leave before Ajima consumes you.
You lie. Evil does not fight evil.
No! No! Ajima is the Holy One. Ajima! Ajima! Consume him! Ajima! Consume him! Great, Ajima! You have done it!
Master! 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 Blood! Blood!
Great Ajima! Spirit of goodness! You have done it! Now, your son will be cleansed. Ajima, power of darkness is removed from him.
I hope we came on time.
Yes, the gods directed your footsteps. You and your family will be cleansed from the atrocities your son committed. Now, kneel down here. Ajima the Great! Ajima the Great! Cleanse your people! Cleanse your people! Be cleansed. Clean.
This life, do not be moved. This life, do not be moved. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous.
Go, go.
glitter things you see. Do not be moved by the glitter things you see, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous, because they're dangerous. They are dangerous.
Somebody